Hello and welcome to the Mike Less Farmhand Mike YouTube channel, bringing you some of the biggest and best variety and definitely the most versatile farming content on social media today. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Farmhand Mike.
When you're running combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Less guy on YouTube.
Hey everyone, in this video I am out in a soybean field near Rankin, Illinois. In this video I am out here with a farm that is running their Fendt Ideal 8 combine with a new MacDon FD250 flex draper head. This is a 50-foot wide draper head. I filmed this combine 3 years ago in corn, so it was good to get back here. This combine was sold by Coons Equipment out of Gibson City, Illinois, and right when I got here they were just delivering this 50-foot head to try out. So I believe this is the first 50-foot MacDon I've had up here on my YouTube channel, so always good to bring you something new. Running beside the combine is the farm's Fendt 1050 tractor pulling a J&M 1251 track grain cart. Also in the video you will see a Challenger 1046 tractor pulling two Brent 647 gravity wagons. I shot this video on the afternoon of Saturday, October 22nd. You can see by the way the dust is blowing, it was quite windy this day, but it was a beautiful day. Was able to get some great drone footage of these machines in action. The Fendt Ideal 8 combine is a dual rotor combine. This is powered with a MAN or MAN D2676 12.4 liter 6-cylinder diesel engine rated at 470 engine horsepower with a max horsepower rating of 540. In the US, Fendt offers 4 different models of combines. The Model 7, which is a single rotor, the Model 8, like you see here, which is a dual rotor, Model 9, and the Model 10. This machine here has the optional 485 bushel grain tank on it. Looking at their specs, it looks like you can get this with a 350 bushel grain tank, but I'm told most of the North American dealers order these with the 485 bushel tank that unloads at 6 bushels per second. This combine also has the bigger fuel tank on it, which is 380 gallons. And of course, I've done other Fendt Ideal combine videos. This one here has LSW tires on it. I've filmed some of these with dual tires and also tracks. And another first for my YouTube channel is you're going to see a horse out in the soybean field. But I think it gets the picture and it's going to run out of the field when it sees the combine coming. But he's opening up this field, going to get these end rows knocked off here and start going back and forth. And I got lots of different angles with the drone and on the ground of this machine and this 50-foot draper head in action. Now, I don't claim to be a genius, but if I had to take a wild guess here, I would say that these guys like Busch beer. This is the third harvest season for this combine for this farm right now. Like I said, a few years ago, I did a video of this thing in corn. I'll see if I can find a link to that video, put it at the end of this one so you can check it out. And that's going to wrap up this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. If you did like this video, please go down there and hit that like button. Feel free to comment below. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please go down there and hit subscribe. Also, remember to check back often. There's always lots of new and exciting farming content coming to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more of what I'm doing out in the field with and so forth filming, you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my social media.